सिद्धांत सरस्वती विजयते गौरीय गोष्ठीपति वंदे गुरुपद्वंदं भक्तबिंदसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्य प्रभुं वंदे नित्यानंद सहोदितं श्रीनंदनंदनं वंदे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयतिगिरिं यत्किपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिपदे देवी सत्त्ववत्त्वयि नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्त गुरुभक्तियुक्तो भक्तिप्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुन् ध्येयं सदा परिभवग्नमभिष्टदोहं तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरञ्चनुतं शरण्यं वेत्तात्युहं पनुतपाल्भवद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दम् यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुरजित किमपि गववधू सुखदर्शि पूर्णानुरागर ससागर सारमूर्ति साराधिका मयि कदा कृपां करोसि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तबिंद श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकावदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलायताक्षो विश्वाम्बरो द्विजवरो जुगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणावतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पादपङ्कजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं भुक्तिं च मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नरानं। गंगातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषिः त्ववामभागं नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं। वागीशजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ति हृदये संवित् त्वं नृसिंहमहं भजे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Jatha tarar mullise chanena tippanti taskanda bhujo posakha prano puharasya yathendriyanam tathaiva sarva arhanam achyuteja. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that by avoiding, by ignoring all your responsibility, whatever you have, whatever problem standing in front of your Hari Bhajan, whatever criticism you are facing, you can ignore everything and try to jump into Krishna Seva. Krishna Seva is such an excellent thing that even you cannot imagine, impossible. By doing Krishna Seva, you can complete all your duties, all responsibilities, whatever you have, all can be completed only by Krishna Seva. Because Krishna is the root cause of the infinity Brahman. Krishna is the root cause of all infinity Brahman. So if you serve Krishna, then everything done. If Krishna is satisfied, then all, whatever your responsibility, whatever you need to do, no problem can stand. Yatha tarar mullise chanena tippanti taskanda bhujo posakha prano puharasya yathendriyanam tathaiva sarva arhananam achyuteja. Achyuto, this word is Sanskrit or Bengali also, Hindi also. Mainly Sanskrit, Achyuta name Bhagavan. Achyuta means who is never displaced from his own position. Who is never displaced from his own position. Whose position is such excellent, absolute. From there he is never displaced. But we all jivas, we are displaced, some or other way. Today we are this, tomorrow we are displaced. Of course I am not speaking about pure Guru Vaishnava. Whole world, this is the situation. Now they are in this position, displaced. But Bhagavan is same place. Nobody can. Same glorification, infinity glorification, own glorification here, there. So, it is more practical to do Hari Bhajan. Hari Bhajan, no. But how we can do Hari Bhajan? How we can do Hari Bhajan? Hari Bhajan means you will have to do Nam Sankirtan, because this is Kalikal. This is Kalikal. All other types of bhajan, if you like to do, you cannot get any effective result. If you like to do Jagya, there is contamination. If you like to buy ghee, clarified butter, but there is fat, animal fat. Doing Jagya, the animal fat. But whenever I need to do, I don't like to do Jagya, I like Sankirtan Jagya. But at all, if I need, I make sure that the ghee is original, from Brajavasi, Vrindavan coming. So the flame you have seen going up. Have seen the flame? Raghubabu published. Flame going up. Demigods become very happy. I am giving in their name. So, now everything contaminated. If you like to buy fruits and flower I have seen, one man selling flower, follow. Morning time is getting up, after that, without taking bath, very contaminated condition. He is going to sell flower in the market. You have no idea, he is sleeping in the bed, totally contaminated. He is going to, even not washing mouth, is going to sell. He need money. What it concern to him? You are going to satisfy Bhagavan or not? Only flower you can give and give me money. Yes. Fruits you are going to market, buying market. Maybe a shop is very good, but or you are going to buy it from vendor outside. They are taking tobacco, after that giving them. All uchista, contaminated. You have no idea. You have no idea, na? This way, flower, fruits, whatever you arrange, ghee, all contaminated. Even mind is contaminated. How you can say? In this condition, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu suggested, and all in Shastra also, if you do Nam Sankirtan and Harikatha, Bhagavatam, everything is very good, practical. You can get. Because Nam Sankirtan is complete, nobody can contaminate Harinam. Of course, bonded condition, in bonded condition, if somebody speaking Harinam, it's not perfect Harinam. Okay. But still, under the guidance of pure Guru Vaishnava, they are leading the Sankirtan, then you can get result. This way, Kalau nasteva 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 gatirannata. Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nam, aiva kevalam. Kalau nasteva nasteva nasteva. Only you make sure that your mind is okay, body, asan, do Harinam Sankirtan, you can get result. So, our Prabhupada wanted to say, if you can grow your interest in hearing Harikatha, Kirtan, is more practical. All other procedure, if you follow, you cannot get practical result. Big problem. So, Nam Sankirtan, whatever duty you have, whatever responsibility, or people criticizing you, why you are doing this? They let them criticize. You can go on doing Nam Sankirtan Harikatha. Prabhupada used to say, if you continuously doing Nam Sankirtan, Harikatha, Kirtan, then those who like to criticize you, someday they are bound to stop criticism by the influence of your Nam Sankirtan, Harikatha. So, from Padma Puran, we are discussing everything, how Bhagavad glorification, everything. Previously, we used to read Bhagavad glorification from Skanda Puran, here, there. But Padma Puran glorification is very, all glorification okay, has some special style. Skanda Puran describing this way, Padma Puran describing so. Anyway, glorification of Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran. And you know already that Mahaprabhu told about Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran. About Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran, Mahaprabhu told that without Bhagavatam, Mahaprabhu already told that Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran is the pure evidence, authentic. Srimad Bhagavatam Pramana Mamalam Prema Pumartha Mahano Sriman Mahaprabhur Matam Idam Tatradarana Param. In Gita, Bhagavan speaking that this Bhavanadrum, this world, this creation can be compared with a tree. Like one seed, you know, there is one seed, very small seed, you cannot see properly. Banyan tree, fruits, one birds eating, and after passing stool, somehow the banyan tree growing from the seed. After that, 1,000, 2,000 years after, 3,000 years after, that banyan tree taking a havoc form. You cannot understand. You cannot trace out what is the root, original root. If you go to Botanical Garden, Calcutta, at the bank of Ganga, if you go, you can pause. Where is the root? one tree. If you go to Naimisharanya, I go on Naimisharanya in Vrindavan, also Varanasi, also there in Allahabad, Akshay Bhat. They are present. Nobody knows when that banyan tree started growing. This way, it seems the seed is very small. How is possible? From the seed the tree can come? Yes. The whole possibility, complete possibility of the tree is hidden inside that seed. Inside that seed. So gradually, the seed can sprout and air, water, sunlight, the tree can take a havoc form. This is called Bhuvanadrum. Bhagavan speaking. Urdhamulam adho shakham. Bale Mara, how I was speaking this way? We know the root of the tree is down mud, but you are seeking Urdhamulam adho shakham. The root is there up, and all branches and leaf down. Ha! Impossible. How it can be? We are speaking this way, but it's true. In this material world, whatever trees and whatever you are watching, really, all the root down, under mud. But this is special type of tree. I mean, the root cause is Bhagavan. Root cause is Bhagavan. That's why the Bhuvanadrum means Bhagavan is the root cause. So all the branches and the trees, all creation is down. Urdhamulam adho shakham. This is that. So, by serving this tree, I mean, if you need to give water, where you can give water? You can give up here or give the root. You can give water there in the root. So if you can apply water in the root, then automatically all branches and everything can get nourishment. Is the truth. You are eating this way. You are not eating here. You are not getting here. You are eating, keeping all, taking. Then you are chewing, going to ear down. Then your body get nourishment. Right? The same thing in the sloka. Yatha taroramul nisechanena tippanti taskanda bhujopasakha prano puharascha jatendriyanam tataivo sarva arhanam ochyuteja. Is Ochyuto, Bhagavan Govinda is served, then you have no responsibility left, no duty left. That is the condition. We are discussing this. I was speaking that here in this Bhagavad glorification, they are going to speak about Bhagavad glorification, and also it is not possible for everybody to hear 18,000 slokas. What I recited in Sanskrit original, in the internet there, devotees requested, you can recite only Sanskrit sloka and Gita, all Sanskrit. So everybody cannot hear Bhagavatam because people are restless. So for them, there is some arrangement within 1 week, one ek shaptaha, week. If some elevated personality who is himself is Mahabhagavat, if he can give the pravachan on Bhagavatam, that also can be effective. That also can be effective. Also I know Srila Parikshit Maharaj. Of course, the case of Parikshit Maharaj is completely different. Because his hearing Bhagavatam was continuous, marathon Bhagavatam. 7 days and night continuously non-stop. Non-stop. No stopping. So Sukadeva Goswami started Harikatha, and continuously all the 24 hours going on. 24 hours. So at present, in Kalikal, people are having less energy, less patience, less intellect. They cannot concentrate. So for them, there should be some procedure so that they can also get some benefit. Follow. That's why the system of Bhagavad Prabhuchan within 7 days at all came effective. It is approved in Skanda Puran, Padma Puran also. Not that it is not authentic, not approved, it is approved. But those Rasik Bhakta, those who are Rasik Bhakta, very nice. Those who are Rasik Bhakta, they usually like to go through Bhagavatam analytically. Each and every sloka they have to hear what is the inner meaning, how they are feeling excited. That was a system shown by Sriman Mahaprabhu. What to speak more, Mahaprabhu himself is Supreme Lord, non-different from Krishna himself. But Mahaprabhu used to hear Bhagavatam continuously, every day. From whom? From Gadadhar Pandit, yes. In Tota Gopinath. Every day coming. Gadadhar reciting, Mahaprabhu sitting. Ah, so nice. And sometimes Mahaprabhu saying, Gadadhar, could you please recite that Prahlad Charitra? Prabhu, we already done before. No, I like to hear more. Ah, very nice, I like to hear. Once again, I like to hear. This way, Mahaprabhu wanted to teach us the dignity of Bhagavad Shravan, how to hear with full honor and full faith, with full loveful mood. This way, Mahaprabhu used to hear Bhagavatam from there. Also, I already told Rup Sanatan, they also used to hear Bhagavatam almost daily from Raghunath Bhatto Goswami. This is the system. And hearing Bhagavatam can give you such a great result, even you cannot expect. Can give Bhagavan himself. Aradha Bhagavan Bhajasastanayas Tadhama Bindavanam Ramma Kachitupasana Bhajaboda Vargena Ja Kalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam Pema Pumartha Mahano Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhur Matam Idam Tatradharanam. Mahaprabhu approved Bhagavatam all the time. Glorification of Bhagavatam. So at all the system of 7 days hearing, Bhagavad Saptaha, approved in Shastra, but those who are demon, those who are non-devotee, they are going to take undue advantage of this system to earn money. I can recite Bhagavatam, provided you can give 50,000. You can give me 50,000, I can recite. They are making business contact. They are no more than a beast, or even more fallen than a beast. In Shastra it is written, they can get punishment for infinity pure. Those who like to use Srimad Bhagavatam as a business, they can get it. They can never be excused. Because Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran, no other than Bhagavan Sri Krishna himself. So many documents there. So many documents. It is written, Sukdev Goswami speaking to Parikshit Maharaj, Parikshit, hey Rajan, know it for sure. Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna evahi. Know it for sure. Bhagavad Gita Maharaj, Krishna himself, or Sisa himself, we find in the form of some language. Yes. Krishna parivartitaha, Krishna converted. Converted doesn't mean Krishna cannot go back to his original form. It's just joking word. Krishna himself appearing in the form of Sabda Brahma. It is 100% possible. I already told on those previous days that Krishna can appear in the form of Aprakita Sabda Brahma. I already told. Kali Kale Nam Rupe Krishna Avatar. It's very easy. But we cannot believe. Well, we cannot see Krishna. Well, in the form of sound coming, entering your ear, cleaning your heart, but still, where is Krishna? We cannot see. People are so materialistic, if they cannot see, if they cannot hear, they say, no, I cannot believe. Follow? But not that. Aprakita vastu, the transcendental object, we cannot see. With challenging mood, we cannot see. Prabhupada used to say there is two procedure. One is ascending procedure, one is descending procedure. Prabhupada used to speak one nice story. Monkey babies are going to catch mother tightly, and monkey mother jumping from here and there. If somehow the monkey baby going to lose his tight, grip, fall down. Many such things happening in Vrindavan, here, there. Baby unable, weak, then mother jumping, and the baby fall down on the ground and die. Because mother is not responsible. Mother jumping, baby, it is the duty of baby to catch tightly. Mother, Prabhupada used to say this. And cat baby, you have seen pussy cat? Then mother going to catch. You are taking care of cat in the house? No, don't do that. Cat and dog don't put. It's very against Hari Bhajan. Outside you can keep. You can contaminate everything. Be careful. So, cat mother going to catch baby and taking somewhere else, biting. But he is biting in such a soft way by that the baby not feeling any pain. Follow. So the responsibility of mother is there. Baby, mother going to catch and take. Is the responsibility of mother. And their monkey, mother, not responsible. This way Prabhupada used to say, those who are going to keep faith, rely on karma, jnana, yoga, whatever procedure, yagya, whatever procedure, they cannot come out, get result. Mayavadi, I can know Brahma. Who is Brahma? Where is there? I can try my best. I can make some analytical survey to throw out, discard the useless thing, and I can accept this is Brahma. No, this is not Brahma. This is Brahma. I can discard. Naitat, and finally going to discard the Supreme Lord itself. Brahma. This way, Prabhupada speaking, those Mayavadis, out of their own efforts, like to know everything. You need not help me. I can know. No need of your help. Follow. But in devotional procedure, always humbleness, soft behavior, cleanness of your heart, intellect, everything is very essential. Very humble mood. If there is one drama in the name of humble mood, then you can get feedback. No result. So here, 7 days hearing Bhagavad Katha is here. How this is they are going to speak, follow. They are going to explain how within 1 week, somebody can speak Bhagavad Katha. How? What is the procedure? Saptahena sutan chaitat sarvatha muktidayakam sanakadvai pura praktya narodayo dayaparoi. Here one very important point. Within 1 week, if you hear Bhagavatam, okay, you are hearing from right source, okay, not contamination, but still, Saptahena sutan chaitat sarvatha muktidayakan. It can make you free from material clutcher. Sanakadvai pura prakta narodayo dayaparai. Sanakadi Chatusan, you heard? They are the first series of song of Brahma in his creation. First, Sanak, Sanandan, Sanat Kumar, Sanat, this, they took birth. They are the oldest of all they are very old, but they are looking like 4 years boy. No clothes there, naked. They are moving here and there. Why they are naked? But Brahma told them as a father, oh, I am your father, so I give you order. You try to propagate, try to increase this creation. You try to increase this creation, propagate. They said, no, we cannot get involved in this kind of problem. We are free. We can think about nicely, no matter. Why? But no, we cannot do. Then father became angry, Brahma. Then I can curse you, that you can never grow up. Always you are 4 years boy. You can say 5 years. Okay, no problem. 4 years boy is more practical. This way, this 4 years boy, they are always traveling here and there, giving kippa here and there, traveling, okay. Already I told the other day, I can remember, before starting, maybe in Bengali Katha or Hindi, they went to Vaikuntha Jagat, but they were not allowed inside. Oh no, cannot go. Then some problem took place. Chatusan went to Vaikuntha, Bhauma Vaikuntha. Joy Vijay, they received cars. It's one kind of lila. Anyway, I'm not going to discuss. This way, Chatusan traveling here and there. You can find here. Sometime Navajogendra, you know, 9 Jogendras. 9 sons of Rishabdev. They are also traveling to bestow kippa. They are traveling this way. Here, actually, Muktidayakam. Actually, whole Bhagavatam you are hearing from right source. Then you can get prema. Because Mahaprabhu prema pumarthamahano. Prema pumarthamahano. But the way you will have to hear is little bit different. And within 1 week, if you like to recite Bhagavatam, of course, if you are not contaminated, pure sadhu, then you can deliver any ghost, any witch, witches, deliver. Now, in this world, you can find such a ghost who is waiting for 3,000 years to be delivered. But no, nobody there to deliver. 3,000 years back, committed suicide or something happened, the ghost is not getting any. Only and only if somebody can meet with some pure sadhu, then the sadhu, out of his causeless mercy, can arrange Bhagavad Katha, and the ghost can hear, after that can get delivered. That is the fact written here. In Bhagavatam, I am going to discuss day by day. Now, how within 1 week somebody can hear what is the system that is already spoken by Sanakadi Rishi to Naradji Maharaj, how and when, that was the question. Now Sanak Rishi again putting question in front of Suta Goswami. In front of Suta Goswami. Sanak Rishi is asking to Suta because he is sitting in the Vyasasana. Now we have one question, doubt. What question? Loko vigraha muktasya naradasya sthirasya cha vidhisrove kutaha pritihi sanyogaha kutotvaishaha. Naradji Maharaj usually chanchal. Chanchal in the sense not like us. Naradji Maharaj chanchal, I say here it is, oh Naradji chanchal, so what problem I am chanchal? Not that. Naradji chanchal has some reason. And we are chanchal has some bad effect. Naradji was given cars by Daksha. Not this Daksha. Prachetas Daksha. Savaruni Mandantar. Long history, I don't like to speak. He was very angry because Naradji wanted to give advice to all of his sons to enter into the renounce order. They are less interested to do Sansar family life. But Daksha expecting all my sons can grow up, I can give them marriage, after that they can propagate this creation. But all the time, whenever some sons, they are going to grow up, then Naradji is secretly going to give you advice. This way, why you are entering into this kind of poisonous life? Better you can go, I can make you free. Then one day, the Daksha came to know, why? You are going to divert my sons to devotional world. Then how I can stay as a father? So I curse you. I curse you. You cannot stay in one place. You will be so chanchal, you have to run all Brahmanda. From then onward, if you stay in one place, big problem will be there. So Naradji cannot stay. This is one kind of boon, not curse. This is one kind of boon, not curse. Because Naradji thinking, well, for the day, to deliver all countless jivas, I must be chanchal. I must run here and there. This Brahmanda, hey, what you are doing? Try to do Haribhajan. There I can run there. So it's very good. Curse is one kind of boon for me. Like that, like in Kartik Brata we are discussing now, Jamal Arjun. Both of them were cursed by Naradji to get the form of a tree. And on being requested, oh, excuse me, we have done mistake. Okay, you can take birth in Gokul in the form of some tree, and then Krishna can appear in the childhood boy. He can, in the crawling mood, can go and push you, and you can fall down and get delivered. So, that is externally one kind of curse. We like to get this kind of curse. So that we can get Krishna. So, curse, this is curse. But also, so Naradji Maharaj is chanchal, okay, has some reason, background. Not like us, we are chanchal, cannot stay in one place. But Naradji Maharaj chanchal, okay, has some reason. We can get benefit. Because the sadhu, in Shastra also written, Mahanter kaj nahi tobu pamor tarite Chaitanya Charita. Nijo prayojan nahi tobu jan paro ghare, Bengali. One Mahanta, one pure devotees. Those who are cheater, I am not speaking about them. They are going here and there sometime to deliver people from bonded condition. So first point, here I like to clarify, within 1 week you can hear Bhagavatam with full attention, but the result is mukti. Mukti means you can get free from material. Suppose you are in the condition of ghost, you can get delivered. Mukti. And this mukti is not ordinary mukti. After hearing Bhagavatam, you can mukti, but you cannot compare with Mayavadi. Try to understand the inner meaning. Here it is a mukti. And mukti has some general meaning also. To get free of material torture is also mukti. I am out of the influence of Sataraja Tamagun. But here they never wanted to mean this mukti. This is a very cheap. This mukti you can get. But here, mukti dayakam means they can get salokya mukti, sajujya mukti, this kind of thing, na? According to the mood, they can do. Of course, those who are following Gauriya Bhajan, they like to get prema. Mahaprabhu already told. That's why you wanted to quote, to make the difference between. Mahaprabhu told, whole Bhagavatam can give you prema. Srimad Bhagavatam, Purana Mamala. Prema Pumarthamahan. One time if somebody hearing, by the blessings of Sadguru, hearing from right source, one time hearing, you can get prema. So this meaning should not be distorted. Meaning you should realize properly. And Sanuk Rishi when asking to Sutta Goswami, well, Loko vigraha muktasya naradasya sthirasya cha vidisrobe kutaha priti sanjogaha kuto taishaho. You say the method of Bhagavad system of Bhagavad 1 week pravachan, the system were spoken by Chatusan to Naraji. But where? Because Naraji is Chanchal, not saying in where they meet, where Naraji Maharaj met with, where Naraji Maharaj, when, where, how, met with this four Chatusana, I like to know. When Naraji, yes, when met, that is it. Sutadev Goswami now going to explain, well, Atro te kittai swami bhakti yuktam kathanakam. Now I am going to start such a glorification of Bhagavatam, which is nectar. I can start glorifying. Atro te kittai swami bhakti yuktam kathanakam. My topics you can find full of bhakti mood. Sukeno mamo yat praktam raho sisam vicharja cha. Follow. Sanukadi, where they met. Atro te kartitva swami bhakti yuktam kathanakam sukena mamo yat praktam. That Sukdev Goswami, my Gurudev, told me secretly. Sukena mamo yat praktam raho shisham vicharjata. As a disciple, he expressed his extreme, absolute mercy and wanted to speak me all in details. And in Gauriya Siddhanta also we are watching. If one Snigdha, genuine disciple, dedicated unto a lotus feet of Gurudev, then Gurudev not going to hide anything secret bhajan matter. Snigdhasya shishyasya guravo guhyam opi uto. Snigdhasya shishyasya guravo guhyam opi uto. Gurudev can never hide anything secret. You find a disciple very good, wholeheartedly dedicated, completely. Not going to play any drama, no kapat bhav. Then, so now question can come, what is the symptom of Snigdha Sishya? You are uttering this term, Snigdha Sishya. Try to understand. Snigdha Sishya. What is the meaning? Snigdha, you cannot translate in English. If you try to translate, big problem. You can use the term sober, nothing else. But sober is not exactly what is the meaning of this. but you have no alternative. You know English only. Said, sober person. But sober is not a problem. In material world also, that boy is very sober person. But sober is not. Then what meaning? Snigdha mean the disciple who is completely harmonized with the heart of Gurudev. Follow. Snigdha means the disciple who is completely harmonized with Gurudev. Dovetailed. Totally. No slightest deviation you can discover. Totally harmonized. What I mean to say, whatever Siddhanta Vichar is there inside the heart of Gurudev, whatever bhava there, whatever mood, whatever efficacy, all in toto you can see reflected in the life of that genuine disciple. Right? That is called Snigdha. Not that only is external humble mood, not that externally speaking very slowly, Dandavad. This is not humble. That is called Snigdha. In one word, to clarify this point, we can go back to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching, Tinadi Visanichano, Taru Visanichana, Amanino Manodino, Kirtanyo Sadhari. So one Snigdha Sishya is always allowed by Gurudev. Hey, you can speak Harikatha. You can speak Harikatha. But sure, he cannot misguide others. If you go through the life, Leela, Jivan Leela of Srinivas Acharya or, Samananda Prabhu, go through there. Samananda Prabhu giving order, somebody coming, Samananda Prabhu making disciple, so many. And not that like cats and dogs. Only phu, mantra. That is not disciple. Samananda Prabhu was so powerful, Rasikananda Prabhu was so powerful that they could change the heart of an elephant also. Ferocious animal also. That kind of magic power. So, Samananda Prabhu already ordered Rasikananda, you can give Diksha. He is giving. Rasikananda Prabhu making disciple. Then somebody coming to take Diksha. Rasikananda Prabhu is giving order to one disciple. Hey, you can give Diksha to him. Because they are so confident. Parampara is so solid and gappingless. Parampara, their system, their mantra, their power, their bhajan, their dedication, so powerful that almost there is no gapping between Gurudev and Sisya. Like the case of Bhaman Goswami. Keshav Goswami giving full power to Keshav, Bhaman Goswami. Now Bhaman Goswami can give this up. Not that I can become Guru. Not that. This call, if we can take the teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, it means that Tinadi Visanichana, Taru Visanichana, Amanino Manadino, Kirtanyo Sadhari. That is the real. Snigdha Sishya, the definition, you can try to realize this way, not other way. So now, Sutadev Goswami speaking, my Gurudev, who? Sukdev Goswami. I was present there in the Bhagavad assembly. I was sitting close to my Gurudev. Gurudev here was sitting here, hearing full attention. And after that, someday, Gurupad Padma told me about the secrecy of this Saptaka Katha. Atro te kittai swami bhakti yuktam kathanakam sukena mamo yat praktyam rahas sisam vicharjata. Out of his causeless mercy, wanted to speak me all the secrecy of this tattva. How? Bale ekoda tu visalayam chatyaro risayo amalaha satsangyartham samayata dadrishu tatronaradam. What? One day, once upon a time, Badri Vishal, their Chotusan was there. Suddenly they discovered Naradji is some excited, some anxiety. Usually sadhu has no anxiety. At all has some anxiety for you. Why you are running wrong way. Person has no anxiety. Ekoda tu visalayam chatyaro risayo amalaha satsangyartham samayata dadrishu tatro naradam. They suddenly discover Naradji running. Oh, Narad, where you are going? Oh, you are very lucky. It is rare. Even demigods cannot get darshan, your darshan. We are lucky. Now we say, well, I was searching for one satsanga to ask some question. It is the arrangement of Badrinarayan Bhagavan. So here you meet Badrinarayan and I meet with you. A Himalayan place, very nice place. So very good, I am very lucky. So, Ekodatu visalayam chattaro risayo amalaha satsangyartham samayata dadrishu tattva. They watch Narad is very running here. Then Kumaraha means Bahuvachan. A Kumar is not one, 4 Kumar, plural. In English, one number be 2, then plural. But in Sanskrit, not that. Singular number, dual number, and more than that, then you can use that. But in English, not. More than one. Very easy grammar. Very easy grammar. But you would learn Sanskrit, it would take 20 years. But still you cannot speak. So nice grammatical twist. Very nice. Scientific. Very scientific. So, the Kumaraha, I mean those Chatusan asking question. Chatusam asking, Katham Brahmano Dina Mukaha Kutaschinta Tura Bhavano Taritam Gammate Kutra Kutascha Gamanam Tabu. What question? Kumara asking, Kumaraha, I mean Chatusan, asking to Naradji, Katham Brahmana Dina Mukha Kutaschinta Tura Bhavan. Why you are looking so full of anxiety? What problem? What happened to you? Anything problem? Why you are going so fast? And where from you are coming? Where you are coming from? Wait. Katham Brahmana Dinam. You seem very painful. Your mood. We never saw this painful mood. Why? What can be the reason? Katham Brahman Dinamukaha Kutaschinta Tura Bhavan. Why you are full of anxiety? Taritam Gammate Kutra Kutascha Gamanam Tabo. Where from you are coming? Where you are supposed to go? Speak up. Idanim Shunno Chitte Osi Gato Vittu Yathayanaha Tavidam Mukta Sangusso No Chitam Vadukaranam. At present, we are watching something opposite. Because you are not ordinary rishi. You are not ordinary. We know you. Narad. Always you are full of enthusiasm. You are singing Kirtan, Hare Krishna, Hare. But now you are full of tension. As if a man feeling pain when all his property gone. Then, I am now bigger. Or Los Angeles fire, all billionaires, they are coming in the street. Now what to do? Idaning sunna chitta oshi. Your heart, it seems that heart is vacant. Something indifferent you are. Why? Idanim sunna chitto. Idanim sunna chitto oshi gato vitto yathayanaha tavedam mukta sangosyo no chitam vadukaran. You are the great sadhu, Mukta Sangoso. You are Mukta Sango. You are going to deliver everybody. Nobody can deliver you. You are delivering everybody. Now, your condition is this. What can be the reason? This we cannot expect this kind of thing. It is beyond our expectation. It cannot have. Something must be there, problem to speak out. Then Narad started crying and speaking. At present, what to speak? I went in this world, earth, and I started traveling different places. I think everything, all the vitals of life gone. All like mechanical. Nobody love each other. Nobody respect each other. What is? Oh, painful experience. So Naradji started speaking. Aham tu prithivim yato gyatya sarvottamamiti. I thought this earth must be very good because Bhagavan appeared before. So I came there. But I watching just opposite. What is this? So Naraji Maharaj giving answer. Naraji Maharaj speaking, Aham tu prithivim yato gyatya sarvattamam iti. I thought this earth must be the topmost place for spiritual, affair. Puskarancha, Prayagancha, Kasim, Godavarim, Tatha. I started traveling in different pilgrimages, like Puskar in Rajasthan, Puskar. Prayag in Allahabad, UP, where Kumbh Mela took place. There, Kasi, Varanasi, Godavarim, South India here, all nice pilgrims. But when I went there with some hope, but after watching I was hopeless. So Naraji Maharaj speaking, Ahantu prithivim yato gatya sarvottamamiti puskarancha payagancha kasim godavarim tatha. Then what happened? Bale Hari Khetram, I went to Haridwar. Hari Khetram, Kurukhetram, Sirangam Setubandhanam, Evam Adi Tirtheshu, Brahmamano Itastataha. I went to Haridwar, I went to Kurukhetra, I went to Sirangam, Setubandhan, Rameshwaram. I went different places with full enthusiastic mood. Evam Adishu Tirthasu, etc., etc. All different pilgrimages. Brahma Mahanitasata with, I started traveling. But I found nothing. All gone? How possible? Almost everything, but all the vitals gone. Why? Na pashyam kutrachis sarmo manaha santosu karanam. I went to get satisfaction of heart. But when there, I travel everywhere. But I could not get satisfaction. Why? But there was some big problem. Due to the influence of Kali, I saw some just opposite of what I was expecting to see. Just what to see? Very sorry. What to do? Hari Khetram, Kurukhetram, Sirangyam, Setubandhanam, Evam Adesha Tirthesho, Brahmamano itasataha na pashyam kutraschit saramo manaha santos karanam kalina adharma mitrena dharayam badita adhuna. Badita adhuna. I saw all places more or less affected by the influence of Kali. Kali. Dangerous Kali. Ah. Kalina adharma mitrena. Kali is a friend of adharma. Kali is a friend of adharma. By his influence, total all the vitals of the life of human beings almost back in. Oh my God. Na pashyam kutrachis sarma. I could not get satisfaction of mind. Oh my God. Na pashyam kutraschit. Na pashyam kutraschit sarma. Manaha santosa karanam kalina adharma mitrena dharayam badhita adhuna. All affected by the influence of Kali. Nothing to do. Nothing to do what I can do. Nobody like to speak the truth. Even they are not ready to speak. Are, what happens you speak? They are speaking lie. Are, you speak me, what happened? You speaking lie. Why? At least you can speak what happened. What is this? Satyam nasti tapaha saucham dayadanam na vidyate udaram bhaurina jiva baraka kutovhashinaha. In the on this earth, I thought I can get some vital thing, but now nobody like to speak that. Truth. They are speaking all as lie. Satyam nasti. All different kind of austerities, like general austerity. One sadhu is supposed to get up 4 o'clock, take bath and sit in bhajan. This is tapasya. Ekadasi, falling fruits and flowers, nothing else. Not, but nobody doing. So all satyam nasti tapaho saucham. Purity is not, nobody maintaining. Eating, touching body, sleeping with uchista mukh, not washing, like buffalo. We have now buffalo system, buffet system. In the advanced level society, we have buffet system. Long ago I saw, long ago. There one man arranged some, because they are like monkey, taking, what is this? All uchista. Whatever they like, they are taking a spoon, self-serve, self-serving. Like monkey, buffalo system. Buffet system, no. Buffalo system. Not buffet. Buffalo, buffalo can do anything. Very nice. So this way, satyam nasti tapaha shaucham. Minimum purity they don't. Are you just get up. Why you touch your bed again? I teach those brahmacharis. Whenever you get up, you forget your bed. Don't touch. You cannot maintain that kind of purity what a pure sadhu can maintain. So, whenever you get up, forget for the whole day. You can take bath, arrange, separate us, don't touch it. Again, and do bhajan, whole day after, again you can go to the bed. Not that any time you feel sleepy, this is not brahmachari sannyas. System is very tough. So, satyam nasti tapaha saucham daya dan. Nobody have mercy. All merciless. Even those great, big sadhus, not great, big position, they are merciless. They are to kill, throw it. Wrong Siddhanta. Money. Money. I got direct information from one sadhu who used to go to foreign country. Maharaj, their preaching is nothing, one kind of drama. Drama, nothing preaching. One sadhu just came, 15 days before, 1 week before, he spoke all rubbish. Another sadhu coming, he is just not going to touch any topics what he discussed. Let him speak. He got money, I can also speak sweetly and get money and go back. This is not preaching, this is called cheating. Preaching and cheating almost, if you hear, nice. Preaching and cheating. Almost spelling is same. It is cheating, not preaching. Preaching means you will have to speak the absolute truth, even if you are feeling bitter. Because I need to make some operation of your heart to recover. But they are changing their mood. Because absolute truth is bitter. Who can accept? How you can become international preacher? You can become international cheater. That you can see. Internal preacher you cannot. That is not possible. Impossible. You prove it. I speak to them, whatever you are speaking, you please allow me to hear. I like to hear. They are not even single. Within this past so many years, requesting whatever you are speaking in foreign country, I like to hear what kind of kripa you are giving to them. Nobody, never a single response. So, satyam nasti tapaha saucham daya danam navidyate. There is no mercy. There is no mercy. A sadhu is really merciful. Always like to deliver us from hell. Come on. You can get nectar. But they like to push into nectar. I need money. What is concerned to me? He is going to hell, let him go. He can give me pranami. I can approve all their wrong activities. It's more practical. Otherwise they can become angry. Cannot give me dollar. So better not to speak that way. Sweet speech is very good. I am sadhu, na? I can speak sweetly. Because a sadhu can speak. That is their formula. So satyam nasti tapaha saucham daya danam navidvati. Nobody like to donate from heart to sadhu, guru, Vaishnava. Only they like to fulfill their own desire. This is the only target. They like to eat udaram bhaurinaha. They can go to restaurant, a hotel, and give order. Because our mouth is like a hydrant. Hydrant, you know? We can be mutton, chicken, this, that, pa. It is a hydrant. Hydrant, anything can, stool, urine, blood, place, anything can go, flow. Hydrant, it is hydrant, come on. Hydrant. But our mouth is not hydrant. It is very pure. You have to take only Mahaprasadam. Cannot allow anything except that. Then if you do so, you have to go to hell. Today you are killing one goat or buffalo, whatever, and taking meat, but you will have to wait for the next life. They can kill you, then you can take in the form of buffalo or goat. They can cut you, they can also enjoy their life. Every action has its equal and opposite reaction. Newton told. Newton. Every action has its equal and opposite reaction. This is also applicable in your devotional life. Whatever treatment you are giving to so some sadhu, or same thing you can get returned by Bhagavan. You are insulting, na? You are insulting sadhu. You like to misbehave. You like to prove that sadhu is thief. Okay, you can do. But you can get the same treatment. Wait and watch. Your disciple can kick you. Your disciple. I forecast. Your disciple. Days are coming. Your disciple can kick you. That days are coming. My word can never go in vain. It can come true. Because they can discover what a dirty man that was, he was, in the form of Guru. They can kick. Because you are going to destroy their life. You are not going to give proper guidance to them. My son, you come here for dirty interest. So, udaram bhaurino jiva baraka kutuvasana. They are all speaking slang languages, all, baraka. Very dangerous. Like jackals. Armandaha sumandamatayo mandabhagyahi upadrita. All the people resident of on this earth were there. Their luck is very bad. Most of them. Mandaha sumandamatayo mandabhagyahi upadrita. All their luck, as if all their luck burnt out. No good luck. They are not thinking about, they are not realizing about the absolute glories of Bhagavan, Guru, Vaishnava, Mahaprasad. Only they want to sense gratification. If you are going to make problem in the way of my self-gratification, I can kick you, I can throw you, I can kill you. That is the system at present going on. Mandaha sumandamatayo mandabhagyahi upo. All around prevailing a bad luck, as if some inauspicious environment. Follow, all around. Pasanda, they are so heartless that you can speak pasanda. Pasanda, you know? Heartless. Pasanda nirataha, shantu viraktaha, saparigra. Those who are in the form of sadhu sannyasi, they are going to get the association of Mataji's woman. They are residing in the house of Grihastha, mixing like they are watching TV, everything like Grihastha man. Taking the Grihastha, they have children, taking the lap. Whereas touching one children is strictly prohibited for sannyasi. Strictly prohibited. One sannyasi cannot touch, because he can grow the desire for family life. One incident I can speak you, it can be recorded, it's very good. In Haridwar, Mayabad Khetra, many times by the arrangement of Bhagavan there was Harikatha. Hindi, not Bengali. Hindi Harikatha there. Many times. Also I personally like Bole Baba from my childhood. Why I don't know. I love Bole Baba. I like Bole Baba, Mahadev. I don't know why. Father and mother. I used to take vow also. What happens in one ashram of almost Mayavadi there, Bholagiri ashram. The name of the ashram, Bholagiri. Their previous guru was Bholagiri. Ashram. One sannyasi, new sannyasi, maybe age 32 or 35 can be there. One grihastha, because in each and every ashram they are going to arrange, outside guests can come, guest house, right? All outside guests coming, they allow them to stay in the room, they give some donation after they going. And likewise, one family was there, very sweet boy in the lap. Then when that grihastha bhakti coming out, step down, and coming in the veranda, then the Mataji is having the very sweet baby in the lap, and the sannyasi going to take the baby in the lap and kissing nicely. After that, that Maharaj who is in charge is watching. After that, when the grihastha gone outside for taking bath or whatever reason, maybe market, then Maharaj calling that sannyasi, 32 or 35, providing a slap, part! This way. Idiot, you are sannyasi? You have material desire inside. Go away from ashram. Give me the ashram, a sannyas base. Go away. Same thing happened with Siddhanti Maharaj. Vaidhi Bhai I speak. Siddhanti Maharaj. You know, heard the name of Siddhanti Maharaj? In Hajra, Calcutta. In Puri also you can find. Siddhanti Maharaj giving warning to 2-3 sannyasi. This way you cannot maintain renounce order. This is not the system. You are going in the house of some widow. I told you not to go. Don't go. But you are not going to obey. This for the last time I am speaking you. Don't go to the house of widow. Don't go here and there. Try to maintain strictly your sannyas. 3 times, 4 times after giving warning, still not going to obey. Then one day, Maharaj catching the sannyasi and going to tear up the cloth with full power. Go from temple. You have no right to stay in temple. You are not sannyasi, you are grihastha. Grihastha people is more higher than you. Go out. 3 sannyasis. So, Maharaj take out and throw them. They are going to take revenge against Maharaj. They wanted to take revenge against Maharaj. Well, someday they are waiting. Maharaj in the winter time, sleeping in Natya Mandir, usually Maharaj doing work, some seva, writing this, after the sleeping. With kambal, winter time, with blanket, everything. Maharaj daily putting his head this side. Follow, every day. By chance, why you don't know, putting head this side. Usually he is sleeping this way, head this side and leg this side. But that is just opposite. But why you don't know, it is the arrangement of Bhagavan. He is going to put the head that side and leg. And that those who wanted to take revenge, they're coming secretly with the carter. You see, the sadhu, how nice sadhu. They come secretly, putting the chopper on. They thought we are cutting the throat. But by chance that day, Maharaj was there. In leg, the carter, Maharaj jumped, and blood coming out. And the man flying, Maharaj saw, who is that man? After that, there was some court case, because though Maharaj don't want, but solution should be there. After that, some gentlemen, some nice devotees filed one case. Ultimately, the case was there in process, and Maharaj need to go there. Maharaj going there, and who want attempt to murder case? This is attempt to murder case. That the man was there. He was there in the witness box. He was there in the witness box, and Maharaj was there in this box. And the pleader speaking, Maharaj, who is in favor of Maharaj, you watch. He wanted to kill you, na? Maharaj, you watch. That the man you wanted to kill you, na? Maharaj looking at him, very with full compassion. After that speaking, what do you say? That is the man you wanted to kill. That is all evidence. Maharaj wanted to excuse him. That is called sadhu. He wanted to excuse him. This is the nature of sadhu. Sadhu should excuse whatever problem they have. He should excuse. That is the main quality of a sadhu. But of course, if there is Vaishnava aparat in offensive, then they are doing something which is offense, which we can think offensive. But Maharaj thinking, I am a man, I am not sadhu, let them, they are trying. Maharaj don't. Maharaj like to excuse them. Maharaj, it is actually offensive. But Maharaj didn't want to take the case himself. Maharaj wanted to leave the case with the Supreme Lord. Maharaj wanted to leave the case with the Supreme Lord. Whatever punishment can come in their life, can come from up. I cannot speak to policeman that you are murder case, attempt to murder case, to send them to jail, I cannot. So Maharaj speaking, no. Follow. This way, now this devotional field, almost heartless. Of course, I cannot say everybody, heartless. How you can maintain softness? If you are cruel, how we can expect that mercy can be there? Because you are doing all cruel, you are indulging in all cruel activities all day and night. You are indulging in cruel activities all day. How we can expect you can become very soft personality? Nice sadhu. Sadhu is always soft. So soft, even a butter cannot be compared. Even butter, so soft. Always excuse. If you excuse, then you can give 100% benefit. But I know you cannot excuse. That is your nature. Okay. You can make your own luck. I have nothing to do. So, here I like to stop my discussion here, because too much discussion you cannot digest. So, the sloka I started with, what is there? What was the sloka I started with? Huh? Jatha tararumul nisechanena tippanti taskanda bhujopasakha pranopuharascha jathendriyanam tathaiva sarva arhananam achyuteja vanchakalpadarusya ke pasindhu patitanang pavanebho vaishnavabhyo.